Hi, this is Mrs. Gore, and I'm going to teach you today how to create your own Navi blogs. First, log on to your hafter.org account. Then, find the Apps button on the top right-hand corner of your screen and find the Sites icon all the way to the right and click on it. Now, find the Create button all the way to the left and press Create. You're going to use the blank template, so you could just leave that as it is. Then you're going to name your site. Your Navi blog's name is your first name, space, your last name, space, Navi, space, blog. Leave this part alone, and now click on Select a Theme. Now you can choose whichever theme you would like your Navi blog to look like. And there are a lot of designs, so you could choose whichever one you like. And I'm going to choose this one because I like pie. Now, press Create. All right, now I've got my Navi blog, and now it's going to be time to edit. Okay, so now I've got my home page to my Navi blog. Now I realized that I clicked on a certain theme, this cherry pie that I liked, but I'm not really seeing any cherry pie here. It just looks kind of bland. Looks kind of like vanilla, and vanilla's fine, but I think that I'd like my Navi blog to look a little more exciting. So I'm going to change my theme. I'm going to go all the way up to the right-hand side where I've got this gear, and I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go all the way, I'm going to go all the way down to Manage Site, and I'm going to click on that. Now, on the left-hand side here, all the way on the bottom is Themes, Colors, and Fonts. I'm going to click on that so that I can change what my site looks like. Up here in the corner, I'm going to click on that, and I can see all my little choices here. And I'm hoping that Vinyl Panel will look a little more exciting. Yep, it does. So I'm going to save that. So let's go back to my site. Nope. Save. My Vinyl Panel. Good. Let's save that. That's how I get back to my blog. All the way on the left, first name, last name, Navi blog. There we go. Much more exciting. So now it's going to be time for me to edit what my homepage looks like. Up on the top right-hand side, there are a few buttons over here. I'm going to click on the pencil, and it's going to allow me to edit. Here's the editor. It looks like a word processor. You see all the things that you would normally find. I've got my fonts, I've got the size, bold, italics, all the things you should be used to. So this is my home page, and I want it to look exciting. So maybe rather than writing home, I'm going to click on it and I'll write welcome to my Navi blog. And this is where I can put any information that I want anyone to see when they log on to my blog. and I can use the fonts or the sizes to make whatever it is that I want look exciting. Now here's some cool things that you can do to format the look and creativity of your page, which are found at the top left-hand toolbar of your screen. These ones up here. The first one we'll look at is a layout. If you click on layout, you'll see that it will change the look of your page from being one giant blob of space into multiple columns. You can add sidebars or have slots for pictures and things like that. So I'm going to make mine look like that. Okay, now I can have a title and 2 different slots to write my stuff. Hey guys, my Navi blog is so cool. Now the second button I want to show you is the Insert button. If you click on the Insert button, it will add cool things into your page, like pictures, links, YouTube videos, Google presentations, and other stuff. You can even access your Google Drive here and put in things that you've already made. You can stick in pictures. There's lots of stuff that you could put in. So let's say I wanted to put in a picture, I could insert an image. I can go to Google and I could find a picture that I want. You can play around with it. You're pretty savvy. Now, also, you can change the font and color of the text that you type. So if I want this to be bigger, I just highlight it. Let's take that. I'll make it nice and big. Bam. Oops. There we go. And we've got center or side. And now you know how to edit your Navi blog. Just save it at the top when you're done so that all your things are saved. In fact, why don't you save it every once in a while so you don't lose anything important, especially when you're typing up your Navi blogs. Now I'm going to show you how to add pages to your Navi blog, which you're going to have to do every time you update your Navi blog regularly. So here's how to do it. Up on top, right next to your Edit Pencil button, you've got your New Page button. It looks like a page. Click on it. Now you're going to name your page. Every time you have a new page, it's going to have the title of the perek that you're writing from, and then the person whose perspective you're writing from. So I'm going to write Perek Aleph Chana, because that's who I'm going to be writing about, from Perek Aleph. All you've got to do now is just press Create. See how it showed up on the sidebar over here? Perek Aleph Chana? Let's leave that title right there so that I know when I'm checking your Navi blogs exactly what you're writing. And now, here's my space to write. I can write in one giant blob, or I can have a different layout. I could even add a picture if I want. But this is how to create your very own Navi blog. I hope you enjoy. I'm sure that I'll enjoy reading them. And know that when you're watching this video, you can pause it and then continue playing it every time you want to do another step to make sure that you're getting it right. You can always go back and watch the whole thing again. And I hope you find this helpful. All right, Hatzlacha Rabba.